Every world-class football begins its journey long before it reaches a stadium. It doesn't start with stitching or inflation. It starts with carefully selected raw materials. Every ingredient is chosen for one purpose. At first glance, this looks like ordinary rubber. But this is where science quietly takes over. Every ingredient must be blended in exact proportions because even the smallest variation can change how the football feels, bounces, and performs. This may look like a simple lamination process, but it's actually one of the most critical steps in the entire factory. Now the material is finally ready to become actual football panels. These cutting machines don't simply slice shapes, they work with incredible accuracy, ensuring every hexagon and pentagon is virtually identical. Even in today's highly automated factories, one of the most important steps still depends on human hands. The football may already look complete, but one essential component is still missing. Hidden inside every professional match ball is a precisely engineered bladder, the part responsible for maintaining air pressure, shape, and consistent performance. This is the moment the football truly comes to life. As compressed air fills the bladder, the stitched shell expands into its final spherical form. Every panel, every stitch, and every layer now begins working together exactly as the engineers intended. Not every football bounces the same, and that's exactly why this test exists. Professional match balls must rebound within an extremely strict range. Too high or too low, and the ball fails inspection. Long before players trust it on the pitch, the factory makes sure physics does. This is the final checkpoint. By now, the football has survived dozens of manufacturing and quality control stages. Its journey through manufacturing is complete, but its journey around the world is just beginning. Before leaving the factory, every football is carefully protected, so it arrives in exactly the same condition as the moment it passed its final inspection. The next stop isn't another machine, it's the players who have been waiting for it. A football's journey doesn't end when it's boxed. In fact, this is where its global adventure truly begins. Carefully stacked, secured, and prepared for shipment, thousands of footballs leave the factory every day, each one destined for a different country, a different stadium, and a different story. From the factory floor to the open ocean, this football has already traveled hundreds, sometimes thousands of kilometers. Inside these shipping containers are products headed for every corner of the world, proving that world-class engineering doesn't stay in one place. It travels wherever the game is played.
All right, these carts are full. Okay, bringing another one over.
After weeks of manufacturing, testing, packaging, and international transportation, the football has finally reached its destination. But even now, its purpose hasn't been fulfilled. It patiently waits on the shelf for the one moment it was designed for: to be chosen, kicked, and become part of someone's game. This is the moment every machine, every engineer, and every craftsman has been working toward. After an extraordinary journey from raw materials to a perfectly engineered match ball, it finally touches the grass for the very first time. What began as rubber, fabric, and precision engineering is now ready to become part of football history. Every great football has two stories. The first is written inside the factory, through engineering, craftsmanship, and relentless quality control. The second is written on the pitch, with every pass, every save, every goal, and every unforgettable moment. Behind 90 minutes of football lies weeks of precision manufacturing, thousands of carefully engineered decisions. If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe